Good morning. Today we are going to make the shooting star ball for the younger students. And so from your packet, you will retrieve the bag that looks like this. And you will need a bucket of water and a towel and some dish soap. So what you'll do is you're going to take out and remove the ball. Leave behind the ribbons. We'll use that later once the ball is dry. That will be in part 2. So with the ball, you'll want to take it and you're going to pour some soap, about like that much, onto it. You'll dip it into the water and then you'll begin to rub. This is a project that your child can do all of. You may pour the soap for them, but that is about all of the project that they will need help with. Mine is not quite soapy enough, so we're going to add a little bit more. And as you can see, we're getting a good lather going. And I'm going to dunk it in one more time because it didn't quite get wet enough either. Get some real water in there so it's very squishy. And now the idea is that the student will roll the ball around and around in their hand. And I would say if they're rolling continuously, this should take about 10 minutes. If they are one who likes to roll it and kind of squeeze it, but not really do too much with it, this could take closer to 30 minutes. So you can talk, you can read a book to your student, you can sing. There are lots of fun ways to keep a child engaged in the activity. You may need to continually remind your child, I don't see your hands working, let's have our hands work hard. Whatever the case may be, until the ball has really gotten kind of a firm feel to it, and that the wool that's on the outside is kind of adhered to it. Once it feels like that, and I still have a squishy spot right there, you're going to move the water aside and take and lay your towel out. And what will happen now is that with the towel, your child can roll it on the towel. And this is a little bit of a different activity and the ball may roll away from them, and that's okay. You just move it back again. And once they've rolled it on there and the majority of the suds that were on the outside have kind of come off, you can take the towel and give it a good couple squeeze. Once that has occurred, then you're going to take and you're going to put the ball in your dryer. And the ball will be in the dryer for probably about 30 minutes or so. And once it is dry, then we'll move on to part 2. And that will be in the next recording.